Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is day number 56. If you would, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So the purpose of this series is I'm showing people how to promote ClickBank products with a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. And what My Lead Gen Secrets is, for $1 a day, you can get 100 leads every single day. And the case studies that I've seen do this have at least 5 accounts set up. I have 2 accounts for my case study. The people that do have 5, they recommend to have at least 2. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I got my 2 accounts set up. Each account you set up, it does cost $30 extra for a one-time fee. And then they're going to charge you $1 for each, $1 a day for each 100 leads that they give you. Now, the reason people sign up multiple leads is, let me sign in real quick and I will show you. Because as you can see, my bonus leads right here, bonus leads today, 100. I have a link down below. Click on that link. It'll take you to My Lead Gen Secret. You'll just get signed up. After you get signed up, don't click on the link again and create another account. Instead, sign in to the account you just created. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy this link right here. And you're going to right click it, hit copy. Then you're going to open up a new tab. And then right click, hit paste and go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to sign up your second account by clicking this button right here that says use my secret now. And you're going to fill out your information and get signed up. What that's going to do is that's going to give you 100 bonus leads every single day because you just used your affiliate link and signed up your second account. So if you're going to do a third account to this, be sure to use your second account's link so your second account can start getting 200 leads every single day. So they do that so they can get these extra bonus leads every single day. And just know this, if you're just starting off, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Nothing I do is a get rich quick scheme. Everything I do, you have to put in work. And you have to have patience and you have to be consistent. So every day we're sending out these emails and you're just building up your list. It's going to start off slow. There's going to be weeks and weeks and weeks where you're not getting money. And in an affiliate marketing, my mentor even says, starting off, you're going to lose money on your ROI. ROI is your return of investment. So starting off with affiliate marketing, whenever you're putting money into your business, you're not going to see no returns at first. You got to think of the end game in the long run. Like, where do you want to see yourself by this time next year? That's how you got to come into affiliate marketing. Like, where do you see yourself next year? Not how much money are you going to make next week? You know, once you get years of experience, then the money's just going to come to you. But build up these lists. This is what it's all about. It's building up these lists. There's so many people that are so successful, way more successful than me, that are telling me how important it is to build up a list. So I'm going to listen to them, and I'm just telling you all what they are telling me. I'm trying to share their knowledge. So just be patient and build up these lists. All right, so you'll just sign up your third account underneath your second account. You will sign up your fourth account underneath your third account, and you'll sign up your fifth account underneath your fourth account. And if you want more accounts, the more the merrier. All right. So now I'm going to sign in to ClickBank. I'm going to check my results from yesterday. Looky there, we got a sale, 1373. I wonder what that was. 1373. Okay, well, we're about to find out. So I'm going to come down here, make sure you have an account nickname created, and I'm going to click on my account nickname. $1373. I'm going to click on reporting up here. And that was the social paid app. Okay, I've got 3 sales on that one so far. I'm just going to click on my tracking ID real quick. All right. So that one came from That one came from my second account. Nice. I'm gonna go back to vendor real quick. I'm wondering why my hops are so low. What's going on with that? 5313. I better pull up my stats. Pulling up my stats real quick. Is that for the 27th? Yep. 5313. And that was my bad. It's 13 something. Let me see if I click on here if it'll show me. Now let's go back to ClickBank real quick just to get my total. $13.73. All right, and I'll do the math later, but that was a social paid. Oops. All right, and I'll do that math later. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my account nickname again. I'm going to click up here on the marketplace. I'm ready to promote. And for my lead gen secret, the only category that these leads will work for is the e-business and e-marketing. There are people that filled out forms on websites where they're trying to make money online. So this is the only category that they'll work for. So click on e-business and e-marketing. Then up here, sort results by, we're going to click gravity. And this is the product we were promoting to get paid to use Facebook. So we're going to click on affiliate page. Actually, we don't need the affiliate page. Below this video, I have these emails that look like this. At the top, it should say, if you click on it, it should say paying social media jobs emails. That's the emails we're sending out right now. So I'm going to click over here. I'm going to click on mailing system. We're in the My Lead Gen Secret app right now. I'm going to click on select all. It's going to select all 39,000 leads. So this is what I'm talking about, building up your list. I started out with 100. Now I got 39,000. So the last email we sent was $190 a day YouTube unboxing video. So I'm going to come back over here, try to find that topic. All right, so that's the one we used. Okay. So we're going to come right here. I need you name. So we're going to copy that, highlight that, hit Control C and copy. Come back over here, hit Control V and paste it in the subject. And right here where it says name, we're going to take the code where it says first name. We're going to highlight that and we're going to copy it, Control C. Then we're going to highlight that whole thing right there. Then we're going to hit Control V. We're going to replace that with this little code right here. What this code does, it's going to call all 39,000 people by their first name. You could put the full name in, it'll call them by their full name, or you could put their last name or their email or their IP address or their sign up date. But we're going to call them by their first name and it'll automatically call them by their first name. Then I'm going to scroll down, hit Control A. That will select everything. Then you'll just hit delete. I'm going to come back over here. We're going to highlight all of this. Don't copy that just yet, but we are going to need that. They're actually giving us the link to use. And right here where I highlighted it yellow, this is where you'll just type in your affiliate ID, your ClickBank ID nickname. So we're not going to copy that just yet. So just copy what all the body says right here. I like this email. It's short and sweet, to the point. Those are the best emails. So we're going to hit Control V to paste. No, we're not. I'm going to hit Control A. I like to do it in my notepad. So it looks like that. Then I'll take it out of my notepad and then paste it in there. Now you see it's not bold. The spacing's not all jacked up. So we're going to do the same thing for the name again. We're going to come up here and get this name, this code for the first name. Right click, copy. Now in this program, you can't right click and paste. If you try, it'll pop up this window and they'll make you hit Control V. So get in the habit of hitting Control V to paste. And then for your signature, you'll just put your first and last name. And right here where it says click here, we're going to highlight that. Now we're going to come back to this email. We're going to copy this hop link. I'm going to come over here. We're going to click on this link right here, or you can hit Control L and it'll pop up this box. And right here where it says URL, hit Control V and paste that link you just copied in right there. Do not hit OK yet because this link is not OK. Remember, where it says your ClickBank ID, you need to put in your ClickBank nickname that you clicked on to take you to the marketplace. So mine is Ib Wazir. Make sure it is spelled correctly. It does not have to be capitalized. It should be all lowercase letters. There should not be any capitalized letters in there. It don't matter if it is or not, but all letters should be lowercase. Then you will just hit OK. Then you'll click on this perfect timing box. And then right here, this little red button that you can barely see, if you click on that, that says preview, it'll pop up the email. I'm just reading the email real quick, and then you'll just click here to make sure that your link actually works. Okay, it works. So you can close it and hit send email. And I'm going to show you a fast way to sign into your second account and send out your emails through your second account where you don't have to fill out your links and all that stuff and your first names and things like that again. So you want to stay signed in. Don't sign out just yet. Come up to the top where it says mailing system, right click on the tab and then hit duplicate. Close these now. And then it's supposed to have a little log out thing right here. If you don't see nothing right here where my mouse is shaking, then click up here on this banner where it says my lead gen secret. And now you can go down to where it says account and then log out. But now log in with your second account. You're still logged in with your first account over here. Do not log out of your first account. You're only logging out of the tab you just duplicated. And now you're going to log in with your second account. Then we're just going to repeat the steps. Click on mailing system, hit select all. Got 19,600 leads on this one. For the subject, now all we have to do is just come to the first tab, highlight the subject, copy it with Control C, paste it with Control V, scroll down to the body, hit Control A to select all and hit delete. And then you'll come back to the first tab, scroll down, hit Control A to copy, then hit Control A to select all, and then hit Control C to copy. Then you'll hit Control V to paste it right there in the box. And then click the perfect timing box and we should be ready. I'm not using a tracking link, so the link should still be the same. So just hit OK. And we're going to preview the email just to make sure that we did it correctly. And the email works. So we'll hit close and then send email. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how easy it is to use My Lead Gen Secret. So be sure to click on the link, get signed up, get as many accounts as you can afford. Do not get something that you can't afford. That's the #1 rule in affiliate marketing. If you can't afford it, wait till you can. Wait till you get some sales generating till you can afford it. So thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate you. Be sure to give this video a like. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to give it a like. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good day.